Okay, we're doing the last part of 2-3 today, which is multi-step equations. Your learning target, you can solve multi-step with fractions. All right, so when you have a fraction, remember with multi-step you need to combine like terms. You need the b's together or the a's or the variable together before you can solve. For fractions, in order to do any kind of combining, you need a common denominator. So, you need to get one if you need one. Get a common denominator if you need one. So this first example, 2b over 5 plus 3b over 4 equals 3. The b is in two spots. I need it in one spot before I solve. So that means I need to get these two together. Now I can't combine them right now because I have a denominator of 5 and 4. What's the common denominator between 5 and 4? 20. All right, here I go. So you're awesome at that. Now do you know how to make the top number? So 5 times what gave me 20?
4.
So what's 2 times 4?
8.
So we put 8b. 4 times what gave me 20?
15.
3 times 5 is 15. Just put the b on the outside. So now I have 8b over 20 plus 15b over 20 equals 3. Now you can combine the top. You can put them together now. 8 and 15 is what?
23.
Thank you, because I didn't know that off the top of my head. So 23b over 20 equals 3. Now how do you get rid of a fraction? Right? But how do you get rid of a fraction? We did this before. I mean, that would turn it into a mixed number. Alex?
Can't you multiply the denominator by 20 and multiply the 3 by 20?
Sure, he likes that strategy. Get rid of the bottom number, right? Make sure you fill in this out. That cancels that out, and I get 23b, I'm going up here, 23b equals 60. And now how do you get rid of the 23? Divide it. So b equals 60 over 23. Keep it like that. 8th graders keep things improper. Okay, that was definitely more advanced, but that's what your homework is like today. It's a combination. You got variable fractions in there where you have to get a common denominator before you do anything. 3x over 4 minus x over 3 equals 10. What's my common denominator between 4 and 3, class?
12.
Sure is 12. 12. So I make a new fraction. 4 times what was 12? 3 times 3 is? Put the x in. 3 times 4 is 12. So x times 4 is 4x. Now you don't have to rewrite, I'm just doing it so it looks nice. Right away you can just do that subtraction. But now I have 9x over 12 minus 4x over 12 equals 10. What's 9 minus 4? 5x over 12 equals 10. Yeah, same thing. Remember that minus is the same as plus and negative. Now what do you want to do? Reciprocal or times by 12 first? You like timesing by 12? Actually, I do too. Then you get 5x equals 120. X equals 120 over what?
120 over 5.
Yeah, and then it goes in evenly, by the way, because it ends in a 0. I think that's, I don't know what.
What?
5 times 20 is 100, so 24.
You have to find the x.
Yeah, if you can do it, yep. So yay, you're gonna have fun with that today. It's complicated, but it's complicated but kind of fun because you want to know if you're right. I don't know. Then you get word problems.
Yay.
Word problems? What? Concert merchandise. Martha takes her niece and nephews to a concert. She buys t-shirts and a bumper sticker for them. The bumper stickers cost $1 each. Martha's niece wants 1 shirt and 4 bumper stickers. Her nephew wants 2 shirts but no bumper stickers. Her total was $67. What was the cost of each of 1 shirt? Okay, so I have bumper stickers and shirts. What do I not know the quantity of? Yeah, because I know all my bumper stickers, right? So I know that X equals shirts. That's what I know. X is my shirts. And I also know if your aunt is buying stuff, when somebody's buying stuff, do you think you would add all of the costs or subtract all the costs? Add it all to find their total, right? She's buying stuff for you and she's buying stuff for your brother. So she's combining you two. Combining them means adding. So here I go, I just write it up. Let's see. $1 for each bumper sticker. The niece wants 1 shirt, X, right? And she wants 4 bumper stickers. So bumper stickers are $1 each, right? You could even just go 1 + 1 or just 4. You know a bumper. If she got 4 bumper stickers, it's $4. And her nephew wants 2 shirts, so you're going to add 2 more shirts. He doesn't want any bumper stickers. And her total was $67. How much for 1 shirt? Yep, you always combine like terms first. So 1x and 2x is how many x's? 3x plus 4 is 67. Subtract 4. 3x is what? 63. X then is $21. $21 for a shirt. So again, my strategy there is I found out the total. I added everything that the niece and nephew wanted. So here it says 1 shirt, so I went X plus 4 bumpers, which is $4. And then her nephew wanted 2 shirts. Okay, Noah and Kate are shopping for new guitar strings in a music store. Noah buys 2 packs of strings. Katie buys the strings in a music book. The music book was $16. Their cost is $72. How much for the strings? So what's our variable? What do we not know?
Strings.
Yep, so X equals strings. All right, now I just add everything together. So let's see, Noah buys 2 strings, so that's 2x. Katie, or Kate I mean, buys 2 strings, that's 2x. And 1 music book. How much is a music book? Yeah, and that's the total, which was 72. Yeah. Combine the like terms, 2x and 2x, 4x plus 16 is 72. Now I solve. 4x equals something. 56. What's 56 divided? Huh?
No, 14.
Divided by 4 is 14.
14 seems right to me. 14. Remember, that means that it's strings, so the strings are $14 a box. Done. That's your target. Your target is fraction equations and word problems.